So, hi, I'm Misery.
Hi, I'm Vampire.
And today for our first video, we're doing a challenge where we feed each other foods that we bought from the store and we don't know what they are. And I'm eating first.
Yep, she's eating first. We're gonna blindfold her and we're gonna feed her stuff. It's gonna be hilarious and fun.
Scared.
I'm scared too because I don't know what she's feeding me.
Okay,
alright. So, we're gonna blindfold her like twice because she can see through that. That. Double wrap.
Oh, my head's small.
You good?
Sure.
Alright, can you see anything?
Black.
That's all you see?
Yes.
Okay.
How far is the tape out?
Right there. I'm just grabbing some spoons.
Oh, no.
Alright. So.
Oh.
Alright. We have a nice assortment here.
Just
Alright.
put it up here.
Yeah, I'm doing it. First, got some of these that I opened
If it's seafood,
earlier.
I'm going to kill you.
Huh?
If it's anything seafood, I'm going to kill you.
Oh, it's not seafood, I promise.
Is it spicy?
I can't tell you that.
It is spicy.
It's not spicy. What is it? What is it? What is it?
I don't know. It's disgusting.
Chew it.
I don't want
Chew it.
to.
What is it?
Beans or some peas?
Close. They're chickpeas. You can spit it out on the table. Aw, ew. Get it out of your shirt, girl. Ew. I'm not sweeping. I'm not sweeping.
Oh, that is disgusting.
Next, we got some of this. Alright, gotta open this. Yes. This is all fresh from the store bought. Fresh from the store.
Oh, that was
How did it taste?
disgusting.
Describe disgusting.
First I thought it was some kind of like fish or something like that, and then I realized it's some kind of ball, and then I thought it was the stuff that you put in bubble tea. And then I started chewing it, and it tasted even more gross, and then I realized it was a pea or something.
Alright, you ready?
Chocolate sauce.
Nope. Not quite.
Strawberry chocolate sauce.
Yeah. Drink the rest of this. Come on. Lick it.
Hurrah.
Lick the spoon. Can't use that spoon again. Alright.
That is really sweet.
Yep. Got some of this. Just saying, I'm the evil one of the group, so she's a little terrified. Alright.
Delicious.
Open wide.
Ah!
What was it?
You suck.
What was it, Tay? Or Misery?
Tastes fine, but hot.
What was it?
Pepper something?
Curry.
Oh.
Do you want some more of the strawberry stuff to cool it down?
I'll live.
Do you not like it?
No.
What the hell? Come on. Alright. Got some of these. She's gonna like these. She's gonna love these. Did you get anything this bad for me?
Yes.
Shit. Alright, open. It's chewy, by the way.
Starburst.
Yes. What flavor Starburst?
Cherry?
No.
Strawberry.
No.
Banana.
No.
Orange.
Yes. We're gonna eat these later. And last, but definitely not least, as soon as she finishes that, I'm gonna feed her this. Ew. Ew! Gross!
I'll eat it later.
Ew. Half chewed. Grossness. It's half chewed grossness. You almost flicked it off the table, woman. Alright. Ready for the last?
Yeah, I'm kind of scared.
You might like it. Open. Tilt back.
Vanilla.
Yup. Yay! She got most of them.
Disgusting.
She got most of them. She got Starburst. She got the chocolate sauce. She got it all, I think, except the chickpeas. You can take the blindfold off now. Love you. Eat your Starburst. And go get the stuff that you got for me.
That's disgusting. And we'll be back.
Right back.